Welcome to SimplyStreetBikes.com. Today we've got a 2002 Harley-Davidson Dyna Wide Glide. This bike has got just a little under 27,500 miles on it and is in very good condition. We are going to take a walk around it and then we'll fire it up so you can hear it run. Overall, this bike is in very good condition. It does have a few scratches on it here and there. As you can see, there's a couple here on the front fender, along the edge here. Front tire's in good shape. Comes with a light smoke windscreen. It also has aftermarket grips on it. Aftermarket air cleaner cover. Battery cover. Gas cap. It also comes with a passenger backrest and saddlebag mounts. This bike also has Screamin' Eagle pipes on it. As you can see, the seat's in good shape, no rips, no tears, along with the backrest. We've got a couple of little minor scratches here on the tail end. Back tire is in excellent shape. Got a lot of miles left on it. Looks fairly new. Again, bag mount. And we do have a few scratches here on the side of the tank. I don't know. They're probably not the easiest to see in the video. There, you can kind of see them a little bit. So we've got some scratches on the mirror and on the clutch lever, which tells me that it's been tipped over on this side, but doesn't look like it hit real hard. I'll get a chip in the paint right there. Oh, a little too close. There we go. Here's what we've got for mileage, 27,472. So, like I said, just under 27,500. And we're going to fire this up so that we can hear it run. This Harley will be going through our pre-sale inspection, and as long as you own this bike from us, you will get a discount on parts, labor, and accessories. Thank you for shopping SimplyStreetBikes.com.